How to draw a scrunchie. We are going to start off by drawing the outline of the scrunchie. To do this, we are going to draw wavy and curvy lines going in a circle-like shape. Great job! Now we're going to draw another circle-like shape in the middle of that one for where the hole in the scrunchie is. To do this, again we're going to use some curvy lines, going in a circle-like shape. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our scrunchies are looking great! Lastly, we're going to add a few detailed lines throughout our scrunchie. These curved lines will follow the curves on the outside outline and the middle outline of our scrunchie. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings of a scrunchie came out awesome. I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub so that we can see your drawings. If you want to see our scrunchie colored in, then stick around until the very end. Also, if this video was helpful for you and helped you to draw a scrunchie, then make sure to give it a big like below. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.